Are you a frustrated leader? Do you find yourself going through day after day, just going from emergency to emergency, just putting out fires, never really feeling like you're moving the organization forward? Do you find yourself saying, you know what, it's just easier, I'm just going to do it myself? You know, if you could say yes to those questions, then I think you may have a leadership gap in your organization. I'm Curtis Wallace, and I invite you to join me on this SoundView Pro course, Filling the Leadership Gap. I have a varied career as an executive, as a lawyer, as a film producer, as an author, and as a speaker. And what I'm going to be doing in this course, Filling the Leadership Gap, is trying to bring you practical insights that you can use and apply right now in your business. And to me, the real key to being able to fill the leadership gap in your organization is that you as the leader have to be freed to lead. You have to have the time and the freedom to be a leader. So in this course today, we're going to be talking about some of the things that you can do to achieve that freedom. First of all, we're going to focus on how you can build, motivate, empower, and inspire a great team. Because without that team, you're never going to have the freedom to be the leader that you need to be. And then we're going to go back in time to the Civil War, and we're going to pull some great leadership lessons from the Civil War. And then finally, we're going to have a class and talk about what I call the leader's perspective. The leader has to understand and value the experience that the organization provides. What's it like to do business with your company? What's it like to be an employee at your company? To be able to understand that experience, you have to be able to step back and have a leader's perspective. Join me in this SoundView Pro course, Filling the Leadership Gap.